In this particular video, we are going to see how we are going to send an image to a WhatsApp using a Python. So there are two things we are going to see here. So first thing is maybe the image already it was there in your system. So that particular image, if we want to forward, so how we are going to forward to the WhatsApp. So that we will see. Another application is maybe you are having a webcam, so that you are going to track the video. So in between any abnormality if you are finding, I need to capture that particular frame and I need to send. So you can send the image which are already there in your system, and maybe the frame. So that frame is while you are using your web camera continuously, or maybe the camera streaming. So you need to capture that particular frame and you need to send to the WhatsApp. So that we can achieve by using this process. So what we required here, so maybe we will see how what are the packages we required this one. So PyWattKit is the one package we are going to use here. So that package is here you can get. So if you are going to this particular package, so how we are going to install that package? After that, what are the things you are going to use? Maybe if you are going, maybe here either home page you can go. So maybe if you go to code here, so here a PyWattKit is the folder where you have the code, everything is there with respect to this. So what kind of code is there, that we will see once and we'll find it out. So here in this particular code, what you are going to do, you can send the WhatsApp, I mean you can send the message to the WhatsApp number, or instantly if you want to send, you can send maybe at particular time, maybe your friend birthday is this particular date. So I need to send maybe night 12 o'clock. So I don't want to awake and I don't need to send the message. So if you are creating by using this one, automatically at the exactly by 12 o'clock, the message will be going to transfer to that particular mobile. So that you can achieve by using this package. So where send instantly, if you want to send message instantly, you can send, or it may be you can send WhatsApp message at what time you want, you can send. So in these cases, what we required is phone number is there. So to whom you need to send the message, and what you need to send the message, and maybe this waiting time is for to open the WhatsApp and to load the WhatsApp into your system. So after that only you are able to send. So that's what. So for that I am taking some 15 seconds time. And what is this one? Tab close is whether you need to close the tab after sending the message, or you need to keep as it is. So if you don't want to close the tab, you can keep false. If you want to close the tab, you can keep false. So after what time you need to close, whether it is 3 seconds, 4 seconds. So that's what, if you want to send message instantly, or if you want to send at particular time, so what time you want to send and what is the time minutes. So maybe exactly by 12:30 I need to send, or maybe 12 o'clock I need to send. So that time you are going to mention here, then you are going to use that one. So similarly, you can send to the group of people, maybe WhatsApp group. If you want to send, you can send. And same way, that message instantly if you want to send, you can send, or it may be at particular time if you want to send, you can send. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss about what send what's image. So this particular function we are going to use here. So same thing here also, we required to whom I am sending. So image, what image you are sending, and maybe for that image any caption you are keeping. So these things we need to send. In addition to that, same thing, so it is going to take a waiting time. So how much time? So waiting time here for sending the message to WhatsApp. So your WhatsApp has to open into the system and it has to send the message. So those two things it has to happen. For that I am taking some 15 seconds duration. So that's what the wait time. So if you want to close the tab after sending the message, that you can keep it as a true. If you don't want to close, then you can keep it as a false. And after what time if you want to close, that it is going to say to you 3 seconds. So maybe 4 seconds, that you can mention here. So this particular package we need. So PyWattKit is the package. So that package I want to install here. So for that, what I am doing, I am taking Jupyter notebook. So we'll go to new note. So here for installation, exclamatory pip install PyWatt-Kit. So this is the thing you need to do, and you run. So it will take some time, maybe star is there, it is running currently, so it was there. So here it is already satisfied because already I installed that particular package. So that package version is 5.3. So maybe even if you are checking here, you may get the same thing, pip PyWatt-Kit initial page. If you are going, so it will display there the version 5.3, so that it will display here. So that is fine. Now what you are going to do, so now it is installed. So if you want to send a image which is already there in your system, so what are the thing I want to send? Maybe here there are two images. Maybe I will remove this particular image. uh, so image is there, so this particular image I want to transfer to WhatsApp. So what we are going to do here for that, so first you need to import the package, import PyWatt-Kit. Then what kind of message I want to use here. So maybe if you are going to that, so send, let me check once first. So maybe home page, if you are going here, so maybe PyWatt-Kit, and here we have whatsapp.py, whats.py. So here the function is, what function we are using for sending the message, sending the image. So send what's image, this what I need. So this particular thing I am taking here. So this particular thing, so where this particular function is there in PyWatt-Kit, PyWatt-Kit. So PyWatt-Kit dot send WhatsApp image. So what are the things you need to pass here? So there are some things, maybe a thing one is a phone number. So maybe if you are seeing here, so there is a phone number, receiver, and image path, caption. So these three things we'll put first. So first one is phone number. So phone number with STD code you need to keep. Maybe I belongs to India, so I'm keeping Indian phone number. So you can add that phone number here. Okay, so that should have some WhatsApp connectivity. So I have this phone number, and followed by image I need to give. So what is image I didn't explain here. Now maybe later I will explain that one. And then I need to display some, you just see here. So image path, and caption. So caption, so if you are sending image, so what you need to send, that we will see here. Okay, so image, what we need to send, what kind of message you need to send, we will see here. So I am sending here, this is my first image. So this what I want to send, followed by, so what are the other things here we are having in this function? So waiting time. So by default it's better to keep waiting time maybe 15 seconds, because if it is maybe here WhatsApp is opened, so in that case maybe 10 seconds is fine. Sometimes it may not load properly. 15 seconds if you are having, so initially it will be okay. So later case you can reduce also. Once if it is already opened, you can keep that one. So and here if I am keeping false, that means you are not going to close the WhatsApp. Once you are sending the message, you are not going to close the WhatsApp. So in that case, this one no use. If I am sending true here, after sending WhatsApp, so once it is receiving, after that you close that one after 3 seconds. So that's what I am doing. So maybe once I will explain that one by keeping true also. So now what is image? So what you want to send here? Image I want to send. So what image I am taking here? Maybe in my desktop image is there. So this one I want to transfer. So we'll see what is the path of this one. So path is this one. So see users desktop. So this path I am copying, and I want to use here maybe image equal to, so this is the path. So this one you should change the directions, otherwise it will consider it as a path of the web. So I am changing the direction. So what is the name of the file? Image.jpg. So you see here image.jpg. So image.jpg, image.jpg. Yeah. So now you see, this is what you need to write here. So image path you are sending and that image you are sending here. So now if I am running this code, it is running star mark, it is running, I didn't do anything. WhatsApp automatically it is opening here, it is loading. So for this I said 15 seconds time. For this I said 15 seconds time. So here you see, this is my first image I am sending. So you wait maybe, yeah. So you see, after that 15 seconds it is loading and it is forwarding to correct location. So this what the first message what you are going to send. Now it is not closing. If you are observing here, it is not closing. Now we will see, instead of this false, we will give true. Instead of the false, we will give true here. So true if I am giving, automatically now we will run once again. So it is once again it is opening. So you just observe there, WhatsApp separately it opened, and previously it was 8:39. Now time is 8:40. So maybe after that 15 seconds, so some 10 to 15 seconds after, it is going to send another photo, same photo. Then after that it is closing by default. So that's what advantage with respect to true. So you can use that one itself. Okay, so old thing itself you can use. So this is one thing. And another thing what you are going to do here, I need to capture the image from camera and I need to send. So for that what I am going to do here, maybe I can use same thing, or maybe you can separately you can do. So for that I want to import CV2 package. So after import CV2 package, what I am going to do, so same thing, maybe you can import even same pivot kit. So pivot kit. So here what I am taking, so I am going to take video equal to, so using web capture, you need to capture the video. So you are going to use a video dot capture. It is the function where you are going to pass whether it is 0 or 1. So 0 or 1 indicates here, 0 indicates maybe it is already connected to the system. So first camera which is connected to your system is maybe by default web camera will be there. If it is external source, maybe you are connecting additional web camera, so that you can keep it as a 1. So if it is already there as a web camera, so second thing, additional thing, if you want to use, you can use it as a 1. So it is going to capture, I mean it is going to generate the video. So what I am going to do here, I am going to check here return value and frame I am going to take. Frame equal to, so here I am giving a video. So this is the video. So I am going to read that video. I am going to read that video. So if read is return true, so then automatically RET value is true. If it is false, something is mistake there. In video capture, it is going to give some kind of problem. So for that, what you are going to do, you are going to check if RET equal to true, RET equal to true, sorry, some mistake, instead of that one I typed, yeah. So R equal to true. So what I am going to write here, so if it is true, I am going to do some activity. If it is false, I am going to print error. I am going to print error. Okay, I am going to print an error. So if it is true, what I am going to do here, I am going to save that particular video into some image. So I need that image path. So for example, what I am going to do here, CV2 function. So frame I am reading here. So that frame I want to load into image format. So frame I am going to load into image format. So what is image format? I didn't explain here. So image format, what I am going to take, I am going to explain you about this format. Same format I am going to take. Maybe I will keep here itself. So you just see here, instead of image, I am giving image 1. Okay, instead of image, I am giving image 1. If you are seeing, this is in desktop, right? So there is no image 1 file here in desktop. So what you are doing, you are going, first you are going to create one empty image. Then after that, in that empty format, you are going to give this frame to that image. So for that I am defining this one. So initially if it is there, you replace. If it is not there, you create that file and you replace with the image. So that image taken from the frame. So frame is coming from this video.read. So capture, from there you are getting that one. So after that, once if you got the image, then what you are going to do, so that particular image, same format you are going to send here. Same format you are going to send here. So this I am taking. Okay, this I am taking. So after completion of everything, what you need to do, you need to release the video.release. Otherwise your webcam will always on. Okay, and even you need to release all other documents with respect to CVT. So cv2 dot destroy all windows. cv2 destroy all windows. So this you need to do. So this what we are checking. So we'll run this program. So something happened here. We'll check. So video dot capture. So sorry, this is actually video dot not capture, video capture, that is. So video capture cv2 dot video capture we are going to take. So by using this one, so we'll run this one once. Sorry for that. So now it is running. So camera is switched on and some module object is not callable. So some mistake we found here. cv2, sorry, this is im read. Sorry, I am right. Sorry for that. I am right. I am right. Yeah. So now we'll run this one. It is running. Yeah. Now WhatsApp image is creating. So you see that WhatsApp image, maybe I am holding a phone. So whether it is giving or not, we'll check. Maybe 8:46 is the time. So maybe that 15 seconds time is there, right? So that it is going to give it to us. So that it is going to do. After that, it is going to close the window. Maybe if you are loading WhatsApp here itself, you may get. So automatically everything it will be closed here. Maybe this is the thing. So this is 8:46 time it's end. Maybe once again if I am running same code, maybe what I am doing here. So once again I ran. So sorry. Yeah. So it send the it opened the WhatsApp and it is sending the image. Sending the image. So we'll wait 2 or 5 seconds. So you see I am holding phone and I am sending. So that automatically it is sending. So that is the case with respect to this. So it is able to send. Now you check same thing, another image created here, image 1, it is created by default. So now once again if I am sending, by default another image will be replaced here and it will be sent to the WhatsApp message. So this is about how we are going to send a WhatsApp message by using Python, and we are using here PyWhatKit package.